Welcome to Physics Online class. How are you students? Fine. Very good. Today we can discuss about measuring mass. We commonly use the term weight, which is actually the mass. Many things are measured in terms of mass in the commercial world. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. For example, we buy gold in gram or milligram, medicines in milligram, provisions in gram and kilogram, and express cargo in tons. Different measuring devices have to be used to the term of smaller and larger masses. In this section, we can learn about some of the instruments used for measuring mass. Okay, what is the unit of mass? Kilogram is the unit of mass. So the gold, how we can measure gold? By which unit used to measure gold? Gram or milligram. Okay, medicines in milligram also we can measure. Then provisions in gram and kilogram, cargo in tons. Okay, so these are the units we used in our daily life. Now we can see the different measuring devices used in terms of smaller and larger masses. Okay. First, we can learn about common balance. Common balance consists of two bands, which compares the sample mass with the standard reference mass or 5 kilogram, 10 kilogram, 20 gram, 500 gram, 1 kilogram, 5 kilogram. So this balance can measure mass accurately up to 5 kilogram. These common balance are used in market. Where this common balance are used? This common balance are used in market. You can observe a physical balance in this picture. This balance is used in labs and it's similar to the beam balance. But it is a lot more sensitive and can measure mass of an object correct to a milligram. The standard reference masses used to this physical balance are 10 milligram, 20 milligram, 50 milligram, 100 milligram, 200 milligram, 500 milligram, 1 gram, 2 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, up to 200 gram we can measure by using this physical balance. Okay, can you understand? So this physical balance are used in lab, it is used. Okay, so what purpose they are using? To measure a milligram and gram weight. Next device, digital balance. Nowadays, for accurate measurements, digital balance are used, which is used to measure accurately even up to a few milligrams. The least value being 10 milligram. This electrical device is easily to handle and commonly used in jewelry shops and labs also used this digital balance. Okay, the digital balance commonly used jewelry shop and labs also it is used. Next, spring balance. Spring balance helps to find the weight of an object. It consists of a spring fixed at one end and a hook attached to a rod at the other end. A pointer is attached to the rod which slides over a graduated scale on the right. The spring extends according to the weight attached to the hook and the pointer reads the weight of the object on the scale. So what is the use of the spring balance? The spring balance is used to measure the weight of an difference between mass and weight. Important question, just listen. We can write what are the difference between mass and weight. Okay. So first, mass is a fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantity. So mass is a fundamental quantity. Weight is a derived quantity. So mass, it has no formula. So we are saying there is a fundamental quantity. Derived formulas are there. What is the formula for weight? W equal to mg. What is the formula for weight? W equal to mg. Okay. So by using the mass given, acceleration due to gravity, means acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, earth value 9.8 meter second power minus 2. Okay. By using this number, we can find the weight. So we are saying weight is a derived quantity. We can derive by using the formula. We can derive. Okay. The first point, mass is a fundamental quantity and weight is a derived quantity. Okay. Then we can learn second point. Second point, it has magnitude alone. Magnitude alone. So we will say this is a scalar quantity. Okay. Magnitude alone. So it is a scalar quantity. Here both magnitude and direction. Okay. Both magnitude and direction. So it is called a vector quantity. Okay. Vector quantity. Understand all of you? First point we have learned fundamental quantity. Here weight is a derived quantity. Then second point, more, it is the magnitude alone. It is a scalar quantity. Both magnitude and direction, it is a vector quantity. Okay. Now third point, already you have learned define mass. What is the mass? It is the amount of matter contained in it. Okay. It is the amount of matter contained in it. So it is the amount of matter contained in it. That mass definition. Now we can write the weight definition. It is the normal force exerted by the surface on the object. Okay. Third point, it is the normal force exerted by the surface on the object. Then fourth point is remains same everywhere. So mass remains same everywhere. So does not change from place to place mass. But weight is varies from place to place. Okay, varies from place to place. So how it varies? Means suppose earth acceleration due to gravity I told already 9.8. No, suppose the weight is 5 Newton. Weight is given here. So how will you find W equal to mg? So mass how much? 5 kilogram it is given. Okay. So 5 into acceleration due to gravity 9.8. So multiply and you have to write the answer. So only we will get weight. Thus the weight of the earth. Suppose man is on the moon. So moon means 1/6 times lesser than earth gravity. Okay. 1/6 times lesser than earth gravity. So the weight will be changes from place to place. The next fifth point is it is measured using physical balance. Okay, mass is measured using physical balance. But the weight is measured using spring balance. So the mass is measured using physical balance and weight is measured using spring balance. The last point is what is the unit of mass? The unit of mass is kilogram. What is the unit of weight? Newton is the unit of weight. Okay. Newton is the unit of weight. What is the unit of mass? Kilogram. The unit of weight is Newton. Understand? So, total 6 points are there. You have to learn the difference between mass and weight. 6 points. Okay, students? Look at this tabular column. There is the difference between mass and weight. First point, mass is a fundamental quantity. Weight is a derived quantity. So second point, it has magnitude alone, scalar quantity. So second point, weight has magnitude and direction, vector quantity. Third point, the mass is the amount of matter contained in a body. So here the weight is the normal force exerted by the surface on the object against gravitational pull. Fourth point, the mass remains same everywhere. So weight varies from place to place. Then fifth point, the mass is measured using physical balance. So the weight is measured using spring balance. Then sixth point, its unit is kilogram and weight unit is Newton. Okay. So Newton, you write spelling small letter starting with the small letter Newton. Okay. N-E-W-T-O-N. Otherwise, you have to write capital N alone. If you write in words, first letter, small letter you have to write. Okay, student. So, if, suppose spelling don't know means just write capital N. That's enough. Okay. So, this very, very important question, difference between mass and weight. This Rome letter 8, third question. Okay, for you, third question, 6 points are there. Just you have to learn. The question is the difference between mass and weight. Rome letter 9, fourth problem. Okay, the question is find the mass of an object weighing 98 Newton. So, what is given in the question? First, you have to write. Okay, given. What is given? You have to find mass, the weight given. So, weight denote the letter W. Okay, W equal to 98. What is the unit of weight? Newton. No. So, 98 Newton it is given. Okay, so G value, question it is not given, we have to write. So what's the value? 9.8 meter second power minus 2. The unit of acceleration due to gravity, meter second power minus 2. The value of acceleration due to gravity of the earth is 9.8. Okay, so here you have to find mass, you have to find. What is given? Weight given. And G you have to write and mass you have to find. What is the formula for weight? W equal to mg. This is the formula for weight. We have to find here mass you have to find. No. So mass formula m equal to weight divided by G. Okay. So by using this formula we have to calculate mass. So adjust this formula for mass. So m equal to the weight divided by acceleration due to gravity. So m equal to, what's the weight given here? 98 Newton. No? So 98 divided by, here given 9.8. G value 9.8. Here decimal value is there. No? So decimal after only one number is there. So multiply with 10, numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator multiply with 10. So you will get the value 980. 98 into 10, 980 divided by 9.8 into 10, 98. Okay. So this cancel means you will get to the value is 10. What is the unit of mass? 10 kilogram is the unit of weight. So the answer you will get the mass equal to 10 kilogram. Okay. So first the question, mass it is given, mass you have to find, weight is given 98 Newton. Okay. So the what is given in the question you have to write W equal to 98 Newton. G value it is not given in the question, we have to write 9.8. Okay. Mass you have to calculate. Write the formula for weight, W equal to m into G. Mass has no separate formula. So, we have to write the weight formula. From that formula, we have to calculate weight, mass. Okay. So, mass equal to weight divided by acceleration due to gravity. G means acceleration due to gravity. Then substitute all the value. Here, y you have to multiply with the numerator and denominator with 10. Here decimal is there. Decimal after only one number is there. So multiply with 10. Numerator and denominator. Okay. Then 98 into 10. 980. 9.8 into 10. 98. So you will get the value of mass is 10 kilogram. Okay students. So first lesson completed. Then we can mark the question. Okay. Roman letter 4. Match the following. Length. Length answer is meter, mass, kilogram, time, second, temperature, Kelvin. Second one, screw gauge, coin, vernier caliper, cricket ball, beam balance, vegetable, digital balance, gold ornaments. Roman letter 7, third question, differentiate mass and weight. Page number 10. This tabular column, first point, it is a fundamental quantity. It is a derived quantity. It has magnitude alone, scalar quantity. It has magnitude and direction, vector quantity. It is the amount of matter contained in a body. It is the normal force exerted by the surface on the object against gravitational pull. Remains the same everywhere, varies from place to place. It is measured using physical balance. It is measured using spring balance. Its unit is kilogram. Its unit is Newton.